Welcome, in front of me I have OPPO Reno4 Z, and today I'll show you how you can create folders on home screen and how you can organize your icons. So for example, we are going to focus on these icons. So we have to click hold one of the icon and then put it for another one, just like that. As you can see, it's very simple. You can move this folder like icons and change name. As you can see, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.